Fort Lauderdale. I did make a video, but I forgot there was two. I didn't know. But it has a DC3, DC4 right there. Then, no. Those are definitely not Castle aircraft. Yeah. Normal caravans. Although, when I was there, like, a couple of days ago, oh, Jesus. There is United aircraft pushing back. So, yes, we do have a 737 with Allegiant. Not good. Absolutely not good. Ooh, look at that. 737. Oh, United 737. See you, 747. Goes up into the skies. Yes, I'm not live streaming because I somehow broke the rules. I have to be 13. I'm not close. I'm kind of close. I got like 5 years left. Something. No, 4. Turning 9 this year. Wish me a happy birthday. It was my dad's birthday yesterday, so actually wish him my happy late birthday. If my friends text me one more time, I'm gonna be so mad. Look at that. Spirit aircraft. Friday, more aircraft. I'm just gonna zoom in, try to see what airline it is. That was a Spirit A320. The banana aircraft. The banana aircraft is flying. If I get a freaking good angle. Jesus, I can't read anything I have to do. 17 Pro Max. iPhone, fix your iPhones. I need to get a better camera. There's a Southwest aircraft. Tell by the tail. Tail looks like a tail. Delta. The Delta aircraft. Sorry, Delta Aviation, I'm copying you. You know, I'm subscribed to you technically. I am. I trust. I've been subscribed for about a year now. About a year. So much Spirit aircraft over there. Ooh, looks like I got a bird. Wait. Let me see this aircraft. Looks like I had a bird strike. Or they're just getting morphed. Oh, McDonnell Douglas. McDonnell Douglas. Oh, there's a it was a Boeing 717. That is actually very rare, I think. Wait. If it starts taxiing, that would be actually so cool. Oh, look at that little baby. Look at that little baby airplane. Look at that little baby airplane. Oh, look at that baby little A320. It's growling at me. Look at that little baby A320. So cute. I know that is a cute aircraft. Oh, he's so cute. I'm acting like it's my rabbit, but it's not. Look at that aircraft. Oh. Short, so that might be A319. My parents see me. Okay. But that is actually very rare. What is it? No, it's move A320. Jesus. There it is. Is that Iberia? No, is that a McDonnell Douglas 80 or is that a C? I can't get aircraft right. 717. Jesus. I said C-17 like first time. What aircraft are there? Small aircraft? Fish aircraft? Well, thank you. Don't need that notification. Jesus, this crap is blurry. Get a small aircraft. If we see Donald Trump's aircraft, I'm about to scream like, just kidding. Didn't he land at like Miami? He landed at Miami or like Fort Lauderdale. Checking out. Wait, we're at Fort Lauderdale. Should I get heading to my gate? Oh no. Oh, let me go back. I got an aircraft. I'm gonna shoot this. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Flight's not broke. Because the front landing gear always breaks. Here it is. Is that good? That's bent. Delta Aviation knows.
All passengers traveling on a Allegiant flight. All passengers that are traveling on Allegiant flight 3474 to Atlantic City, the flight has been canceled due to weather. Once again, all passengers that are traveling on Allegiant flight 3474 to Atlantic City, flight has been canceled due to weather.
Are you freaking serious? It's not even bad. Jesus Christ, you freaking Allegiant.
Jeremy.
What?
Shut up.
It's just for the drama for the video. Oh, Jesus. Oh, why would they cancel it?
Almost $70.
We're never gonna get to this flight. Well, guess we're booking one. We'll eject it. I might just land in Cleveland. Agent doesn't fly to Cleveland though. Which is not good, but hope I'm actually happy because I'm not flying there. It's just my finger. That aircraft, 737. What should we do? At this time we are cooked. Flight has been canceled. No. I'm gonna get home, bro. My rabbits are probably dead right now, dude. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna play some TFS, bro. Okay, when we reach 15 minutes, I'll stop the video because I need a break. Because we're gonna be here for a long, long time. I mean, you can't get out. We already passed through TSA. We're stuck in the circle. We're about to sleep. Okay, how much Spirit aircraft do we have over there? We have 1, 2, 3, 5. We got 5 aircraft. And we got one of each. It would be better to put spot right there. Okay, what aircraft do we have already here? We got a American tail. See that? Delta tail. Delta. Wait. 2 Delta aircraft. Jesus.